In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps. Because our channel is creating new tutorials for you every day, we get a lot of questions from you guys. And one of the most common one I noticed is, can we lock apps on an iPhone? And the best part is, yes we can, and we don't even need any secret codes or third-party apps to do that. If you wish to do it now, pick an app you want to lock. Quick disclaimer though, to continue with this video, you need to have your passcode on. Without it, you won't be able to lock your apps. Now, when you have your app ready and passcode on, hold one of your apps and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on Require Passcode and choose Require Passcode in the pop-up. Then you need to enter it to confirm your choice. And when you tap on your app again, this time passcode will be required. To disable password from your app, you can code it again to access the same pop-up. Click on Don't Require Passcode and enter it to confirm your choice again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!